Anna, how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old?
Yes.
And why are you crying?
I like a teacher. His name is Stephen.
You like him?
Yes.
And then why are you crying?
Because I don't want him to go. I don't want to go.
You don't want to go and leave him?
Yes, I don't want to go away.
Well, we are going to move to Japan.
Well, I really wanted to come with me to Japan.
But then his mom would be sad. She wouldn't have her baby Stephen anymore.
Mom, I love her so much.
Well, and I'm sure he loves you too,
And
Hannah.
he loves me.
I'm sure, sweetie. And you're going to find lots of other boys to love too. Okay?
I only like